What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled, and today I have these. These are the Realme Buds Air 2. So you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna get this box popped, we're gonna explore all of its contents, we're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and of course a latency test. So sit back, relax, grab that popcorn, let's do this, let's go, right meow. Alright guys, it is audio test time. Let me get these popped into my ear holes. Let's get the YouTube music app open and listen to some tunes. That bass. Yeah. Whoa, these things are banging. Realme Buds Air 2 sound awesome. I just thoroughly enjoyed my listening experience for the first time. The bass is super punchy. Now I listened to them both in lively and bass boost mode. Both sounded great. Sometimes when you put a pair of earbuds into bass boost mode, the highs and the mids might get a bit distorted. This did not happen here. $41. These Realme Buds are $41. They might be the best sounding in that price segment thus far that I've listened to. I gotta say, I was blown away. The highs are very crispy, very clear. I was able to distinguish between all the instruments and sound. I could hear everything. The mids were solid, they were smooth, they sounded really good, and the bass rattled my brain just a little bit. I gotta say, I really enjoyed the sounds of the earbuds. What's next, guys? Next is mic test time. I'm gonna need your help with that. I'm gonna need you to tell me down in the comments what you think about the mic test. So let's do that. Let's go right now. Mic test time. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Realme Buds 2. How does my voice sound? Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Realme Buds 2 with ambient noise running in the background. How does my voice sound? Let me know down in the comments below. All right, guys, before we jump into the next section of the video, do me a favor, it'll help the channel out so much. Smash that thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. All right, guys, it is active noise cancellation test time, and right now the buds are into Ted's ears. And if you guys don't know, Ted is a binaural mic. Basically, there's a mic in each ear. That way you can hear what Ted hears or what you would hear if they were in your actual ear. And currently, none of the features, transparency mode, active noise cancellation mode, are turned on. It's general standby mode. So this is what it would sound like if the earbuds were in your ear and none of the features were turned on. Let's go ahead and turn on transparency mode. So right now, transparency mode is currently turned on, so my voice should be a lot more prominent, a lot louder. You should really be able to hear it clearer. And then let's go ahead and cycle over to noise cancellation mode. So now everything should be a lot quieter, more muffled. You shouldn't be able to hear my voice as much. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it back to general mode. And what I'm going to do is start some background noise. This noise is about 85 decibels, typical of what you would have in a restaurant or a bar while you have your earbuds in. Let's go ahead and first turn on transparency mode. So now everything should be super loud. You should really be able to hear everything that's happening, everything that's going on around us. And then let's go ahead and cycle on noise cancellation mode. So again, the noise should have gotten very muffled. You shouldn't be able to hear all of the noises as well. Yeah, that's the active noise cancellation test. Let me know how it does down in the comments. Let me know what you think. I want to know all of your thoughts. All right, guys, it is latency test time. And as always, I'm going to test on Android and iOS. The Android device is going to be a OnePlus 8 Pro, and the iOS device is going to be an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, I was able to download the Realme Link app to my Android phone. This way I'll be able to toggle gaming mode off and on so you can see the difference with gaming mode. Unfortunately, in my region, the Realme Link app is not available on iOS, so I won't be able to show you the difference between gaming mode off or on, but typically the iOS devices are always faster when it comes to latency tests. So it may actually be close with the Android gaming mode on compared to the iOS just normal. Let's go ahead and jump into the test. Up first is going to be the Android device. Here we go. All right, so now we have gaming mode turned on, and we're gonna run the test one more time on the Android device. All right, let's go ahead and switch over here to the iOS device. All right, guys, there you have it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you want to see a versus challenge, the Realme Buds Air 2 versus the Realme Buds Pro? Let me know all of your thoughts down there. And guys, if you haven't already, smash that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace!